can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a back to school haul video and a little giveaway that I prepared for you guys. I do these videos every single year and I thought I'd start off my back to school series this year with another back to school haul like I do like every single year. So I'm gonna start off with the things I bought for myself this school year. And then we'll get into the giveaway, so stay tuned and let's get into it. So I went to Target and I got some binders. I'm not sure how I'm gonna organize this year, but I will be making a video on that, like a lot of you guys have requested already. But I'm only taking 3 classes. I'm taking 3 APs this school year, so I bought 3 binders. A little excessive. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna like go through with this, but I bought my normal 1.5 inch white binder and I always get the heavy duty binders from Avery. I love the little thing here. It's just so much easier than all the other binders and I really can't stand it when it doesn't have that, so always get this kind. I got it in white and I also got 2 black 1 inch binders. I'm taking AP Calc, ABBC, as well as AP Lit and AP Psych. Then of course I bought some new folders. I jack up mine every single year, so I just bought 2 like super simple white portfolio binders. I mean, not binders, folders. And then I picked up another pack of college ruled paper, and this isn't from Target, but I did buy this at TJ Maxx. It was $8 and it's just like a set of paper products. It's just notepads, sticky notepads, cards and envelopes, a pen, and 6 binder clips. This year I went with a more black, white, gray, like neutral colors, and gold as my accent. And then, you know, whatever. I'm super extra, you don't have to do that, but. And then the other stuff are pretty much just like accessory items. I literally, next up I got this agenda, and I always get a new agenda for the school year. I actually always use them. They're so helpful. And this one is from Marshall's and it was $8 and it's so pretty. It's like my aesthetic and wow. Then I got this from Marshall's as well, and this is from the same brand as my like paper product set. This is 2 ballpoint pens and I don't know how they write. I just thought they were pretty, so let me just show you guys how gorgeous they are. Like, what? At Target, I bought a lot of writing utensils. I really don't need more, but I found their supply of Japanese writing tools. And this one is the Zebra Sarasa pen, and I heard a lot of good things about it. I don't like writing in 0.7 millimeters. I usually write in 0.5, but I just got this. I heard so many great things about this, and it's just a gel retractable pen that won't smudge when you're writing notes. And then I got the Energel alloy pen from Pentel. I'm pretty sure this is not Japanese, but I've been meaning to get my Energel pen. This I was super excited about because these are the Pilot Friction Color Erasable marker pens, and there are like the erasable highlighters on Amazon that I've seen and that I've seen in a lot of bullet journaling and note-taking videos. But these are just the erasable markers. These are made in Japan. They're so cute and I'm so excited to use these. I didn't open them yesterday when I bought them because I wanted to film this video, but you know that after I film this video I will be playing with these all day, all night. And then we have the boring stuff. I just got another pack of pencils. I don't really use wooden pencils, but these are good for all the tests that I take that I need a wooden pencil for. I also bought a new pencil sharpener because mine break every single year because I buy these ones. But yeah, these are a pair. Then I bought some new erasers because I literally lost all mine, or I broke them all last school year, but I will be splitting this with the giveaway, just 2 for myself and 2 for you guys. And then very last thing, I got some new colored post-it notes for my notes because you guys know I love to color coordinate all my notes, and these just help me jot down quick notes to stick on my note sheet if there's no more room, stuff like that. So I bought a new set and it has 5 colors, and these should be great for note taking. So I'm very excited. Got this. I think I got the same set last year. So that is all for me. I do have a backpack coming in. I ordered the Herschel backpack because I've been wanting it for a long time, but I've been using my MCM backpack, as you guys know, and those are all my school supplies. So anyway, let's move on to the giveaway before I bore you guys to death. I really don't know what I've been doing this whole entire video, so I apologize. And I will leave all the rules down below because that's kind of boring, but just be sure to follow all of them, and you'll be entered in my giveaway. First, I got you guys a Starbucks tumbler. This is a grande size, and you guys can use this at Starbucks as well, and you guys can get like, what, there's a small discount if you use a reusable thing, and this also holds water really well and it's super cute. So I got you guys this to stay hydrated in school because we all know it's like a prison and we need some water, so stay hydrated. Then for school supplies, I got you guys a lot of like more creative stuff. I was gonna go with a theme, but then I just went crazy. So basically, I got you guys this little office kit from U Brands, but I found this at TJ Maxx, and I saw this at Target last year actually, but it's so cute. It has like the eggs and the donuts and like the food on here, and it's just super cute. And then I also got you guys some really cute pens and things. This is a 3-pen like ballpoint pen pack or whatever. And then I also got you guys some stickers with some food on it. I don't really know why I gravitated towards food, specifically like a junk food sort of, but there's an avocado in here. I don't really know, but this is just a 168 sticker kit that you guys can just stick everywhere in an agenda, on your notes. I don't really know, but I got you guys some stickers. And then I got you guys my beloved mild liners, and I found these at Target actually, so if you guys want to get some for yourself, definitely check Target because they have this 15 piece set for like $17, I'm pretty sure. I might have got mine for cheaper in Amazon, I don't really know, but I found these at Target and I thought I'd just give it to you guys because it's super easy. It's all in one case, whereas I bought like the 3 sets of them. I don't really know, but this has every single color of the rainbow. It's perfect for note taking, and I love myself these mild liners. They're so nice, and they're not super like in your face highlight color. I hate that about like the Sharpie ones because they're so bright, it kind of hurts my eyes when I'm taking notes. So these are very mild and they look so freaking pretty on notes or on like anything. So, you know, have fun with this. You're gonna have a great time with those. I also got you guys a huge bow pen. I don't know the purpose of this, but it's just a pen with a bow on top of it. I just thought it was really cute, so I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Then for the other types of pens, I kind of went crazy with pens. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just thought everything was too cute to not get for you guys, so I got this fringe pen set, and each of them say something. One says create magic, make it happen, and well done. Just thought you guys would need some positive vibes at school, you know what I mean? So I also got you guys some of these like really colorful watercolory type things. What am I saying? These are the U Brands Catalina Porpoise Tip Pen, and these are basically like kind of like fine liners. I have some myself from last year, so I just found this other really cute colorway for you guys. It's more colorful, more fun, definitely more vibrant. I'm over here with like my black, white, and grays. I don't really know what I'm doing, but you know, I'm all for it. I also got you guys some actual pencils. So these are the U Brands Positive pencils. I thought I should get you guys something less boring, and all these say something super cute and positive on them. So yeah. Then, of course, to sharpen the pencils, I got you guys a pencil sharpener similar, or actually the same as mine, a mini stapler because I actually found myself really needing one. I gave one away last year. I picked this like lilac color for you guys this year, and then of course I got you guys some matching sticky notes for your notes because I'm going to be making a note-taking and organization video for the school year soon. So if you guys win this, you guys can follow along in that video and use the same things as me. So yeah. And the very last thing I have with me to share with you guys for this giveaway is an agenda, and I got you guys this like really cute pink agenda, and it says agenda on the front right here, but you can't see it on camera. But anyway, it's the same one I used last year, just a different cover, and I loved it last year. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to enter my giveaway. Once again, in the description box, follow all the rules and you will be entered. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one, and be sure to request more or others back to school videos down below for me to film and do for you guys. I really need to start pumping out more videos because I love you guys so much, and I just love creating, so help me out. And yeah, I should go now before I like go crazy. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye beauties! Okay, I don't know why I keep on doing bye beauties, because it's like something I've done since like forever, but it's getting annoying. Should I change it? I don't really know.
And I'm just trying to play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now, but I could be a crush.